Once upon a time, there was a rural village where lived a man named Sonba. He was a simple, hardworking farmer. Although he worked hard every single day, he believed deeply in traditions and rituals that had followed his family for generations. He had a buffalo that helped him to plow his field. One day, the buffalo dies just before the plowing season. Sunba was very upset and he did not accept this as a normal incident. He thought there was a jewel, a spirit lived in Palace tree near his field, done this. Why? Because he had forgotten the rituals of sacrificing red roosters to please her. And this time he had forgotten to perform his duty. So Sanba was very afraid. He thought something in his mind and went to the palace tree and requested to the churel that and said, "Hey churel, please forgive me this time. I promise you, I will sacrifice two red roosters this time." After a few days, a government officer came to the village. He brought something new. He wanted to show that how modern machines can help farmer work easier and more faster than earlier traditions. At first, no one believed him, and also villagers laughed at him. But Sonba agreed with him and let the officer demonstrate the tractor in his field because he had no other choice. He wanted to plow his field, and now he had um, lost his buffalo. He had to accept his machine. Next day, everyone gathered to see how the tractor worked. Everyone amazed by the work of tractor. As the engine start, everyone looked with surprise that the work which could take many days by a buffalo that finished in just few hours because it was done by machine tractor. Even Sunba was amazed, but although he saw this uh, by his own eyes, to keep his promise which he gave to the churel, he went to the palace tree and sacrificed two red roosters to please her. What we can learn from the story, sometimes we get so lost in our beliefs that we fail to understand and see benefits of technology. There are some people uh, who believe that there is no beyond their knowledge or their awareness, and if it is, then it's not true. What is true is what we believed